Hey there, cosmic explorers. Welcome back to Cosmic Station. Today we're embarking on a jaw-dropping journey across the universe, exploring the smallest to the largest stars out there. From tiny cosmic flickers to mind-bending giants that make our sun look like a grain of sand, this video is packed with wonders you won't believe. Let's get started, shall we? Let's start with something familiar: Earth. It's home, it's cozy, but in the grand cosmic scale, it's barely a speck. Now step it up to Jupiter, a gas giant that's over 11 times the size of Earth. Pretty big, right? But hold on. Jupiter doesn't have what it takes to shine. No nuclear fusion, no star power. It's like a wannabe star that didn't make the cut. Let's get started. So at number 1 we have brown dwarfs, the almost. Stars now enter brown dwarfs. These are what we call failed stars. They're bigger than Jupiter, like 13 to 90 times its mass, but they just can't quite ignite full-blown nuclear fusion. They're like the universe's almost famous stars, glowing dimly, but never truly lighting up the cosmos. Here's where things get fiery. Main sequence stars are the real deal, actively fusing hydrogen into helium at their cores, which is what makes them shine. Think of them as the bread and butter stars of the universe. Next up we have red dwarfs, small but mighty. First up, red dwarfs. They're the smallest and dimmest of the main sequence stars. But don't let that fool you. These little guys can live for trillions of years. Talk about a cosmic marathoner. Third is our sun, the benchmark. And then there's our sun, a middleweight champ of the stellar world. It's hotter, brighter, and more massive than red dwarfs, but far from the extremes. Fun fact: if our sun were a light bulb, some of the more massive stars would be like industrial floodlights. We're talking serious wattage. Fourth we have massive stars, the short-lived giants. Take Beta Centauri, for example. These stars burn hot and bright, but have incredibly short lifespans. They're like rock stars of the universe, brilliant, but fleeting. Ready for the big leagues? Meet R136A1. This beast is currently considered the most massive known star. But here's the thing, measuring these titans is insanely tricky. Stellar winds, distance, and sheer size make it an astrophysical guessing game. Fifth one is stellar mergers. Oh, and some of these cosmic giants might not even form naturally. They could be the result of stellar mergers, 2 or more stars combining into one colossal monster. Talk about teamwork. Now, stars don't just stay the same forever. When they run out of fuel, they evolve, and things get wild. Next is red giants, our sun's future. Someday, our sun will puff up into a red giant, swallowing Mercury and Venus, and maybe even Earth. Don't worry, that's not happening anytime soon. We've got about 5 billion years to figure out an escape plan. Seventh is Hypergiants, the cosmic titans. But then there are the Hypergiants. These are the largest known stars, shining millions of times brighter than the sun. Their lifespans are so short, they're practically cosmic. Firecrackers, brilliant, brief, and beautiful. Now for the grand finale, Stevenson 2018. This colossal star is estimated to be 2,150 times the radius of the sun. If you placed it in our solar system, it would extend beyond Saturn's orbit. Just try to wrap your mind around that. But here's the kicker: measuring stars this big is no easy feat. They're distant, constantly evolving, and surrounded by dust and gas. It's like trying to measure a candle's flame in a hurricane. Here's the poetic part. When these massive stars die, they go out with a bang, literally. Their deaths scatter elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron into space, seeding the next generation of stars and planets. It's the universe's way of recycling, cosmic style. So, from tiny sparks to unfathomable giants, stars are the lifeblood of the universe. Each one tells a story of creation, transformation, and destruction. What's next? Could there be stars even bigger than Stevenson 218? Or are we just scratching the surface of what's out there? Stay tuned to Cosmic Station as we continue to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, keep your eyes on the stars.